What if I told you there's a brand new way to launch a faceless YouTube channel in just 20 minutes? No camera, no editing skills, and no stress, because AI does all the hard work for you. And here's the wild part. Some of these channels are pulling in over $500,000 a year. Yep, this could change everything. Hey, welcome to Life on Ease, where I break down powerful YouTube strategies that most people charge thousands for. But here, it's all free. Today I'm handing you the complete faceless YouTube automation blueprint. From niche ideas to full AI video creation, thumbnails, SEO, and even monetization. So if you're ready to build something real, hit like, subscribe, and let's elaborate on this topic. Why go faceless and automated? First, there's no need to show your face. Second, the earning wild when is done right. And is unlimited how much YouTube can pay you. And third, thanks to today's AI tools, it's even easier to start your faceless channel. Look at channels like Top 5, just using stock footage and voiceovers, they receive over $500,000 a year. If they can do it, trust me, you can too. Let's now look at how to pick a niche. First step, pick a niche you actually enjoy. Don't overthink it. Some top niches trending now is travel, tech, motivation, finance, and education. If you still stuck, you can use ChatGPT. Just type, "Give me 100 faceless YouTube channel ideas." You will be amazed at the instant inspiration. You'll never run out of content. Here's where it gets fun. Meet your magic AI tool, InVideo AI. Just type your topic, let's say, best Greek islands to visit. Select a YouTube explainer style. Set it to 10+ minutes for more ad space. Add your vibe, fun, chill, inspiring. Choose a voice. Hit generate. It writes the script, adds voiceover, scenes, even background music, all on its own. In case you want changes, just type, change the call to action to subscribe now. Done, and you can export in 4K. The full experience costs about $20 a month, and it's absolutely worth it once the passive income starts rolling in. Now let's move to how to make catching thumbnails. If you want clicks, you need great thumbnails. Here's my quick method. Go to pexels.com for bright high-quality images. Hop into Canva, pick the YouTube thumbnail template. Use big bold text with a black outline, throw in a couple of simple icons, and ask yourself, would I click this? Thumbnails are half the battle, don't skip this. The how to set up your channel? Launching your channel is super quick. Just sign in with your YouTube with Gmail. If you need a logo, try capwing.com, type your channel name, screenshot, and is done. For your SEO-rich description, you can use ChatGPT again. Upload your video, borrow tags from top videos in your niche, and set your category. Travel, education, whatever fits. Hit publish and you're live. Starting from zero? No problem. Don't just wait on YouTube's algorithm. Jumpstart it. Use InVideo AI to create YouTube shorts, then post those across TikTok, Instagram Reels, and Pinterest. Pinterest, by the way, is a search engine, not just social media. Use it to drive traffic to your channel. This multiplies your reach and helps the YouTube algorithm notice you faster. This is how to monetize your channel. If you want to get paid, here's the deal. Avoid copyright content. Stand out by adding a short custom intro or outro. Inject a bit of storytelling like, when my friend went to Greece. Make your videos educational, because YouTube pays more for that kind of content. To get monetized, aim for 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours. Hit those numbers fast using the growth hacks we just covered. Now let's recap all that we have learned. Pick your niche. Let AI handle your videos. Design thumbnails that demand clicks. Promote smartly on TikTok, Instagram, and Pinterest. Monetize with original, helpful content. Your first video takes just 20 minutes. But imagine having 100 videos out there working for you day and night. That's life-changing. So here's what to do next. Like this video, subscribe for more free tutorials, and comment automate below if you have questions. I'll be answering everyone. Now go build your YouTube channel and let's meet at the top.